Welcome back mga kapapart. This is your Chef Bangas from Diaz Vlog. Alright, today's vlog, magluluto ako ng pork belly, braised, and then we will have a mukbang. Alright, stay tuned. Let's start our pork belly. Water, ginger, spring onion, or whole peppercorn. Soy sauce, and our cinnamon bark, star anise, our cloves, and just one whole pepper corn, salt, brown sugar, oyster sauce, and this time I'll put cooking wine. Let's cover it, then cook it for 45 minutes. Alright, update. Let's taste. Around 4 tablespoons of honey. Ayan na mga papart ko. Yan. Ready to serve. Look at that. See? Malambot na siya. See? Oh. Okay, let's serve. Hi!
Hi!
So, let's eat.
We're gonna do
This
some
is our
mukbang.
dinner.
Mukbang.
We have here
Spicy
braised
noodles
pork belly, spicy noodles,
and
balut,
seaweed
and seaweed.
Balot, Penoy.
And penoy.
Shout out to the owner of the balot from Jessie Dael. If you want to order,
And
visit
there's
his
rice.
FB page and you can comment for the order.
Channel.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, yes, of course.
Don't forget to
And
subscribe.
like. Bye.
Okay.
And turn on
Start.
the notification bell. Start now.
Okay, I'll take noodles. I need chewy.
Can you give me noodles, please?
You can handle the
Yeah. With milk. My backup plan.
Also
spicy
like.
noodles. I don't
Yeah,
think
with
so.
the backup, I have milk.
And then you will drink milk, lots of milk.
Yes. Because I will only eat it. Let me open the milk. Go, good. Oh my gosh. The braised belly is very soft.
It's
So
sinful.
soft. Wow. Oops.
Oh.
Where's tissue, please? Wait. Oof. I can smell it already, the seaweed. Okay, now
How about you, Zoe?
Yes,
wait, I'm gonna pour. You're not eating, so
I am eating
what are you eating?
seaweed.
Only?
No,
Yeah.
everything. Not to eat
Look at
everything.
guys.
Yummy.
I'm gonna put this one down. Okay, now let's try the noodles. It's my first time eating spicy noodles. Here. Oh my
So
gosh!
yummy,
Oh my
Come on.
gosh! I'm so
right?
nervous.
Right,
Okay.
mommy?
Yeah. I'm gonna eat this. In 3, 2, 1.
Oh. This is the first time to eat seaweed.
It's your first time?
Oh my gosh!
What? How is it?
Oh my gosh! Ready? Can you get me? Okay, I'm fine now. How are you so
Good.
sturdy? Okay, let me just get one seaweed. Oh my gosh.
I need egg too.
You want the egg?
Yes.
That is not balut. That is.
I know, yeah, it's okay.
Eat hard boiled. That's hard boiled.
It's fine.
Another one. Oh my gosh. Then put the seaweed there. Oh my god.
I want to eat with rice.
You don't like rice, Kuya?
Only little. Here's the rice.
You're going eat more.
Thanks, God.
Pwede ka na yan.
What? Garlic?
No.
I need milk.
Yeah, that milk. Kuya's milk.
Ito, Mom.
Which one?
I want in my glass.
Tamen.
In my glass, Mommy.
They're spicy.
Time to eat the balut.
Let me see how you eat it.
Hi, guys. I got chopsticks.
Okay, finish this, okay? Then if you want more, give me. Tell me. That's a lot. Hold 2 hands. Can you give me the tissue? I have to wipe. Oh. Oh my gosh.
So good.
Wow. Can you see?
So good. So good.
You try?
Okay, no.
You try?
So nice.
That's really so good.
Parang nasa Pinas.
I
Balut
can
at
eat
night.
more.
Wow.
I don't need chair, mommy. I don't need chair.
Okay.
I don't want this anymore. Put it inside.
Yeah, put it there.
Outside. Put it.
Another seaweed?
Daddy, you want seaweed?
No thanks.
Put it in the corner. How you doing? Can you have some rice?
Huh? You're taking my rice.
Sorry.
Take your own.
Oh,
Take your own.
I have no rice.
Get more rice, kuya.
I'm fine. Can you have some meat? I don't want the fat.
I can.
Yeah.
It's so tasty. It's mommy and daddy. How about you? How about you, kuya?
Yummy. Eat so much. See, the one that.
Nice. So you can handle the ano na, chili, ah.
Again.
Can he eat? Can he eat?
Yeah.
Oh, you manage, kuya.
I drink milk. Then I get starting to get.
Break.
I did not get this spice. Okay.
That's good feeling.
Excuse me.
No, it's hot.
I know, right? So
Meal.
Okay.
that's the thing which makes you eat so much rice
Kneel and eat.
because it's salty.
Yeah.
I can do it.
See.
My seaweed. That's okay?
I have the last one.
Are you done? Are you done?
Full. Because I eat rice.
How about this? Why are you not eating this? Huh? How about the penoy? You're not eating the penoy.
Full.
Guys, thank you for watching.
We will finish this later. Dinner.
Yeah. You can finish it tomorrow. It's too much.
Bye.
Look
Don't
at this,
forget
oh.
to subscribe.
I don't know.
Big chunks.
How many kilos is that, Daddy?
I forget.
Maybe 2 kilos of belly.
Almost 2 maybe or more.
Thank you.
Okay?
See you guys. We're really having
Yeah.
good dinner tonight. So let's see. We did not finish everything, but yeah, because he prepared a lot. So yeah, I believe we finished half of it,
Sorry.
and it's good tastes.
Till next mukbang. And huwag kayo magsawang manood sa
See you
vlogs
guys.
namin. Alright? Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Don't forget to subscribe.
There are more exciting videos to come. So please hit the notification bell below so you will get updated.
Alright. Bye.
Bye guys. Stay
Bye.
safe. Bye.
Wow.